Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save game files and your config file for Gears of War Reloaded on Steam and PC. Let's get started. Finding your save files. First, open any folder on your PC. Go to your C drive. Open the Users folder. Click on your username folder. Now, open the App Data folder. If you don't see App Data, click the View tab at the top. Select Show, then click Hidden Items to make it visible. Go into the local folder. Find and open the folder named Coalition. Open the Wargame folder. Inside, open the Save Data folder. This is where all your saved game files for Gears of War Reloaded are stored. Finding your config file. Go back to the Wargame folder. Open the folder called Config. Double-click on EngineUserSettings.ini. This file contains all of your game configuration settings, like graphics options, resolution, and other preferences. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find both your save files and your config file for Gears of War Reloaded on Steam and PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.